Uh, Today we're gonna test these three batteries with the multimeter. This is the one we're gonna use it. As you see, it should be DCV and right there 20. DCV and 20 right there. So just gonna start for this battery, and it should be like 3, like you see the 000 right now, and just put the black one on top and this red one bottom, and this shows, as you see, I'm holding, look, with the two finger, and it's like 2.51. It's actually, these batteries, that's good, still work, and it's not that yet, but it's not the perfect 80%. It's good. So this is one. The next, this is the one, and as you see, the plus sign and minus sign. The red one is goes touch the plus one, and the other ones it goes the minus. As you see the right there, sorry, maybe I can put the inside of this right there and here. See, do you see? This is 7.92, as you see on the multimeter, 7.92. This is 75%. It's good. It should be 9. Oh, not bad. The next one, this guy, we're gonna test this guy now. It's, yeah, put the positive one, it's on top, and negative one, sorry, let me change the other way, direction. Yeah, positive one this side, and negative one here. Oh, look at this now, look at this. This battery is dead. As you see the on multimeter right here, it shows that, see, 0.54, sometimes less than that, which means it's dead. I mean, not completely dead, but dead.